In order to prepare project costing, you have to make sure that the cost-related masters like staff cost, materials cost or assets are created at start rates. There is standard rate field in every master. Now come to costing. The overview screen will show the list of last 10 costing already done. You can view them by selecting View option, or print if you want to print the voucher. Let's now prepare a new job costing. Select Create. Here, you have to select your project. Suppose, GTY Construction. And then, select the task. Say Establish Office. Now, suppose if you want to create cost estimate in the current date, then you can leave the date as it is, or select an appropriate date. Suppose 13 March 2018. Select your resource type. Item code. Say fabrication material. Select quantity. Suppose 30. Unit price, say 500. And press enter. Now you have two job costing here. At times you might see some already existing cost line items at the time of posting. These items come from physical progress in Gantt chart. At the time of updating the physical progress in Gantt chart, you have the option to directly send them to transfer to cost. This is very helpful as the cost is identified at the time of processing of the task. These lines items whose status are transfer to cost, appear in our job costing or project costing form. This is because the ultimate transferred cost will lie in the hands of your team doing the accounting. At the time of doing the job costing, you have the option to consider them in final posting to cost, or unselect them for not to be considered. Now, you see, here, this PP means that your job costing has been reflected directly from the physical project in Gantt chart. Once the posting is done, you can print off your job costing voucher by clicking here.